The AEV Snorkel kit for the Jeep, JL Wrangler, and Gladiator is a must for those who love adventure and to push their vehicle to the limit. Our snorkel improves engine performance by providing the cleanest, coolest air charge possible, even in the worst of conditions, whether that be dust, rain, snow, sand, or silt. The AEV Snorkel kit is manufactured in the USA out of high-quality, cross-linked polyethylene, making it lightweight, extremely strong, and its UV resistance will keep it looking great. AEV has rigorously tested these snorkels both in controlled environments and out in the real world. As you can see here, our snorkels install directly into your factory airbox and are designed to minimize drilling and cutting when you install it versus the competition. What about water crossings? Isn't a snorkel just for crossing rivers and stuff? Actually, no. And while it can help with that, other waterproofing is required to prevent engine damage in deep water. This snorkel is designed for so much more than that. Dust and other contaminants are a bigger and more common hazard for most off-roaders. Because of the expert engineering, our snorkels do not hinder airflow at all over stock. What about driving in the rain? Does a forward-facing intake like we have here make water a problem in rain or snow? Not for our snorkel. The air ram is designed so that incoming rain will hit the back wall of the ram and then get channeled into carefully designed drains. And not all snorkels have this. Should any water make it all the way through the snorkel, it will be collected and safely drained from your factory airbox. The AEV Snorkel kit can be configured for a variety of engines and fender styles. The kit can be ordered to be compatible with the 2-liter turbo, the 2-liter turbo hybrid 4xe, the 3.6-liter V6 like we have here today, as well as the 2.2 and 3-liter diesel engines. You may also choose which OEM fender style your Jeep has, whether that be the high fender flares on the Rubicon or the low fenders found on other trims. For technical information, install guides, and to order your kit, visit aevconversions.com or click on the link in the description below. Leave us a comment if you think a snorkel is a must-have for your off-road vehicle. And hit subscribe for more informative videos like this one and AEV's epic adventures. In fact, if you want to see this exact Jeep in the mountains of Colorado above 13,000 feet, you can watch this video next.